isn't good, guys.
Green, Iowa, Jefferson, Kenosha, Lafayette, Milwaukee, Racine, Rock.
There's no way,
yeah.
yeah.
And the following.
I just need to go to Rockford.
Port Washington to North Point Lighthouse. Nearshore waters from
Thunderstorms
North Point Lighthouse
just
to
came
Wind Point.
on.
Nearshore waters from Wind Point to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois. Lake Michigan from Port Washington to North Point Light, Wisconsin. Offshore to mid-lake. Lake Michigan from North Point Light to Wind Point, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Lake Michigan from Wind Point, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles off. Shore to mid-lake. Lake Michigan from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. In Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, and the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Henry, Lake, McHenry, Stevenson, and Winnebago. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.